Morning all of you. Hydroxy compounds, alcohols. Preparation of phenols, part 1. That indicate in the second part we will also discuss preparation of phenol. Tau's process naming reaction. From haloarenes, AR indicate aromatic ring containing ene double bond, nothing but our first aromatic compound in haloalkene, chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene molecular formula C6H5Cl, chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene, when treated with a base 6 to 8% of sodium hydroxide HONA, when heated to 633 Kelvin and at a pressure of 300 bar, unit of pressure, in a closed vessel. In the first step, 1H plus and Cl minus removed as HCl. This O minus along with the sodium is added to benzenic carbon, gives salt of phenol. So lost one molecule of water, C6H5ONA, nothing but sodium phenoxide. Which on acidification, when treated with an inorganic acid HCl, which on acidification, Na plus Cl minus is removed as NaCl. This H plus is added to, this is minus, added to O minus, gives our main product phenol. This is Tau's process, C6H5OH plus loss of NaCl. This is your phenyl alcohol called phenol. Now we are going to discuss the second method of preparation of phenol. From benzene sulfonic acid, our second method of preparation of phenol. How is benzene sulfonic acid is prepared? Simply, benzene is sulfonated. So you should know what is meant by sulfonation. Benzene is sulfonated with oleum dibenzene, C6H6. Each carbon contains one hydrogen. When benzene is treated with the concentrated sulfuric acid HOSO3H, nothing but H2SO4. From benzene ring, H is always removed as H plus and this OH minus removed as H2O. SO3H plus is added to this benzene minus. So loss of water molecule gives benzene sulfonic acid C6H5. Here you have SO3H. This compound is called benzene sulfonic acid. Phenol is now prepared from benzene sulfonic acid. What is the molecular formula? C6H5, this is your phenyl group, SO3H, this is benzene sulfonic acid. An acid always undergo reaction with a base called neutralization reaction. Benzene sulfonic acid, molecular formula C6H5SO3H, this is benzene sulfonic acid. When treated with sodium hydroxide, NaOH, when treated with sodium hydroxide NaOH and heated to 623 Kelvin, what happens? An acid is one which on ionization produce H plus ion, this H plus and OH minus is removed as H2O. Now Na plus is added to SO3 minus. With the loss of water molecule gives a salt C6H5SO3Na. That is called sodium, a positive ion, sodium benzene sulfonate. Sodium benzene sulfonate. In the next step, that sodium benzene sulfonate C6H5SO3Na, when treated with the excess of base sodium hydroxide NaOH, what happens? A salt is removed, Na2SO3. A salt is removed, Na2SO3. One H and one OH is removed as water molecule. ONA is now added to phenyl group, gives C6H5ONA. We know what is the name of this compound, sodium phenoxide plus. What are the other product? Loss of Na2SO3. Sodium is a monopositive ion, sulfite 2 minus, that 2 is here, this one is there plus. H plus OH minus gives water molecule H2O. In the third step, sodium phenoxide undergo acidification like Tau's process. C6H5ONA undergo acidification when treated with HCl. Na plus, sodium always removed as NaCl, mostly removed as NaCl. Na plus Cl minus removed as NaCl. This H plus is now added to O minus, gives phenol C6H5OH plus loss of sodium chloride. This is our compound to be prepared phenol, sodium phenoxide. Other name I have written below all the compound. So this is from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene is converted into benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid undergo neutralization reaction with a base gives a salt. That salt again when treated with the excess amount of sodium hydroxide gives sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide undergo acidification finally gives phenol. In the next video also we are going to discuss the preparation of phenol from aniline and also from cumene. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara. Yes. Okay, thank you.